Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to welcome you to the Seagull Company's Basic Leadership Training Graduation Ceremony for the 2021-2022 school year. Please rise for the arrival of the official party and remain standing for the presentation of our nation's colors and the national anthem, sang by Cadet, Senior Chief Petty Officer Ben James.
Executive Officer, Ray Oliver. Color Guard, parade the colors!
Harry, colors. Ready, cut, all turn, out. Right, turn, march. Present colors.
Company presents arms.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Ready, cut. All down. Colors. Ready. Cut. Hold and march.
Point, part, arms. Executive Officer, prepare the company for inspection. Aye, aye, ma'am. Company! Back for
Yes, please. Over this past weekend, the students participated for summer, some of the greatest challenges they've ever faced. Under the careful and constant supervision and instruction of the two commanders and staff, your students will taught military drill, military customs, and traditions. Properly informed learning and military knowledge. At NJROTC, what you put in is what you get. We are looking forward to working not only with your students, but also with you. This program is not just another high school class. This is more like a way of life. A special team, a family. Every one of your cadets will become like a brother or a sister. For that, I would like to give thanks to Senior Chief and Commander.
Supervisors, report!
Honor platoon, all accounted for, ma'am.
Very well.
Coaching, all accounted for, ma'am.
Very well.
Commander 2, all accounted for, ma'am.
Very well.
Ma'am, Seagull Company, all accounted for.
for ma'am. Very well. Senior Chief, Seagull Company, standing by for inspection.
Very well.
Our Naval Science Instructor, Senior Chief Joseph Estrella, United States Navy retired, will perform a ceremonial inspection of the cadets. Once each platoon has been inspected, the inspecting party will make their way to the front of the company.
Morning, Senior Chief. Chief Petty Officer Oak, standing by with honor platoon. Standing by for inspection, Senior Chief.
Good afternoon, Senior Chief. Good. Senior Chief Petty Officer Lloyd of Courage Platoon, standing for inspection. Aye, sir. Good afternoon, Senior Chief. Cadet Petty Officer First Class Ramos with Command Platoon, standing by for inspection.
Senior Chief, requesting permission to carry on graduation.
Carry on.
Thank you, Senior Chief. Executive Officer, exercise the company. Aye, aye, ma'am. Company!
Platoon!
Right! Face!
Club the chance to say a few words. Without their support, many of our events, just like this one, wouldn't be possible. The president of our Parents Booster Club would now like to say a few words.
Apparently I've been promoted. My name is Molly Barrow, and I'm actually the secretary. My husband is the president, and he's out of town this weekend. But we just want to say thank you so much, parents, for coming. Don't your cadets look amazing? Can we give them a hand? Thank you so much for Senior Chief and Commander for allowing me to come and speak. The Booster Club is a parent organization that supports this program. We are not a PTA. There's not a whole lot of drama. We just come together and do what we can to help Senior Chief and Commander and all of these cadets in any need that they have. The Booster Club organization, in this organization, we help feed them. So the Booster Club is the one who paid for all of the meals for the kids to eat this weekend. We also help chaperone or field trips and things like that, and then any other general support. If they need ammo for their rifles, if they need new flags, anything that they need, we fundraise and try to make due funds for them. And everything is, our group is only solely based to make sure that these kids have an amazing time in this program. So if you would like to get involved in the Everett High School NJROTC Booster Club, we meet one day a month. It's on the second Tuesday of every month. We meet here at the school in Commander's classroom. It's like an hour long. It's really quick and easy, but it's a really good way for you to get involved in your kid's life and for you to get involved in the NJROTC program. If you don't have a lot of time, but you still want to be involved in knowing what's going on, and you can't make it to the meetings, that's okay. You can also, on Facebook, you can look us up. It's the Everett NJROTC Booster Club. And if you would like to get on the mailing list, the email list, please come find me. I will be up in the back handing out cookies later after we're all finished. And we also are selling challenge coins and paracord bracelets that the kids have made themselves, and all proceeds go right back to the program. So thank you very much, and I hope you guys have a great weekend.
We also have our naval science instructor, Senior Chief Joseph Estrella, United States Navy retired, and your cadets instructor for this year. He will help them hone their abilities that will help them succeed not only as students, but as cadets and citizens. Senior Chief, would you like to say a few words?
Well, I'm no miracle worker, and so I'll do what I can to make them better citizens. Again, Ms. Barrow, thank you. Thank you for the booster support and all that you've done, especially throughout this week to help us out through our COVID protocols. It's been very trying, as you know. Commander would come up here and speak. Unfortunately, while he was battling over the skies of Europe during World War II, when the bomber was shot down, he incurred some injuries and his knees starting to act up, so we kind of sidelined him over at the front. So unfortunately, he cannot express his words, but I know he has a lot to say and is grateful for all of you who came today to come see your children, and the accomplishments they have done this weekend. Again, we are no miracle workers, right? But I think just from what you saw here moments ago was very transformative, right? And that's just 3 days time, right? Just imagine with their dedication that they give to the program, what we can try to do with them by the end of the year, what we can do with them in 2 years, even 4 years, and some, which I've got a few North middle schools in 5 years, right? But it's their dedication, and both Commander and I, we're here to support them. So if you would just give them a round of applause for their dedication.
Our commanding officer would now like to address the cadets and their parents and offer her congratulations.
Company up and up.
Hello, parents. Your kids did very amazing today. And throughout the weekend, when they first came, I was like, oh wow, there's a lot of people who showed up. And, those who showed up, they did amazing. I'm really proud of them. You should be proud of them too. They showed great determination. Very respectful kids who raised. Very, very good job. That's all I have to say.
Cadets currently hold the first rank in their pocket. Traditionally, invited friends and family members are the first in the ranks of the cadets. We would like to continue this tradition by inviting those friends or family members to do so at this time. So please come down and pin said rank onto your shirt.
It's an open rank.